Hi there folks. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to set up the one-click QR code. This is a way to basically turn anything on the internet into a QR code very quickly with just the click of a button. So what we're going to do first is open up the Chrome browser and then set it up so that the Chrome browser bookmarks bar is visible at all times. So what I tell people to do is to come over here to what I call the hot dog bun. This is the settings icon, and click on it, and then just come down 4 steps to the bookmarks bar and then go up to where it says show bookmarks. You'll also see that there's a keyboard shortcut for doing this called Control-Shift-B, so you can just click on that as well. So I'll just show you again. If I do Control-Shift-B, the bookmarks bar disappears, but if I do Control-Shift-B, it comes back. It's important to have this bookmarks bar visible at all times in order for the one-click QR code to work. The next thing we need to do is go to a website that has what's called a Bookmarklet for creating QR codes. An easy way to get there is to open up a new tab and type in QR code Bookmarklet. Bookmarklet is Bookmarklet, all one word. The first link that you'll see in your Google search is almost always this one that says activehistory.co.uk. Look for that and then click on it. And if you happen to have my one-click QR code directions in front of you, you can always use the link right here. You'll see that there's this big red button here that says QR Coder, and that we can create a QR code with just one click. And you're going to click on that red button and then drag it. You can see there's sort of the do not icon on it until I drag it up onto the toolbar and it turns into a plus symbol, and then I let go. And that puts this QR coder button here. What I like about this QR code one-click button, different from others that might be available, is that when I click on it, you'll notice that the size is quite large. If you're using an interactive whiteboard, this QR code is easily scannable from further back in your classroom as opposed to other QR code creators that generate a very small QR code. From here, it's basically just deciding how you want to use your QR code. One suggestion, as I said, is to just leave it up on your interactive whiteboard and let students scan directly from there. However, you may want to print this, so you can do that in a couple different ways. You can right-click on top of the image and go down to print. The other thing that you may want to do is copy the image and then bring it into a Google Doc and then paste that QR code into the document, and then grab the little handles on the corners. I always recommend doing the corners. Resize it to whatever size you think you want to print it out, so that if you're pasting it onto, say, a worksheet to create accessibility or link to a different resource for that worksheet, it'll be smaller. Or if you're turning this into a poster or something that's going to be on a bulletin board, enlarge it even more. So you can do this in Google Docs, you could do this in a Word document, and then print it from there. So that's the one-click QR code. Hopefully you'll find this useful, and good luck.